In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable options trading on Webull. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Webull, then go ahead and select on this option that says menu. Once you're over here, please scroll down until you see this option that says shortcuts, and then all you want to do is you want to press on settings. Once you're over here, please go ahead and select on the option that does say account management right over here. Then you're going to see this option that says option trading level. Now by default, you're going to need to apply in order to get options on your Webull account, and you just need to enter in information about yourself like your income and stuff like that. You will also be asked about your investment experience and risk tolerance. Make sure that you accurately answer the questions about your investment goals and your understanding of options trading risk, because they can definitely get a little bit risky. And then once you went ahead and submit it, you need to go ahead and wait for approval. After completing the application, submit it for review, and the approval process usually takes 1 to 2 business days. So it is a little bit unfortunate that you do need to wait a little bit, but thankfully Webull is actually pretty fast when it comes to approving options. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.